The difference between amateur texture and professional polish often comes down to one subtle control slider. Today, how to explore speckle opacity balance. Open Photoshop and create a new 2000 by 2000 pixel canvas filled with a neutral gray so transparency changes are easy to see. Add a new layer, fill it with black, then apply Filter, Noise, Add Noise at about 70% with Gaussian and monochromatic selected. Open Levels and drag the white slider left until scattered speckles appear, then change the blend mode to Screen so only the particles remain visible. Now slowly lower